Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear students, today discuss about weight. See here, weights of objects in kilograms and weighing stones. See here, weighing stones like 1 kg, 500 grams, 250 grams, 100 grams, and 50 grams like that only. See, these are the weighing stones. 1 kg, 500 grams, 200 grams, 100 grams and 50 grams. These are the weighing stones. See here, weights of objects in kilograms and weighing stones. So this is the 1 kg apples and now next 25 kgs rice, 5 kgs flavor and 2 kgs birthday cake. See here, page number 15 from your course book. Look at the different ways of weighing objects. So here given different weighing objects. See here, this is kids weighing object. Object means here thing. Now this is adults weighing object. This is fruits weighing object. This is and also weighing object for rice like that only. Okay. So this is the digital meter. This is also digital meters. So here adding and subtracting kilograms. Adding and subtracting kilograms. Listen carefully. Adding and subtracting kilograms. See here, Rajesh and Rajini own a fast food center. They went to a supermarket to buy groceries. See here, rice 100 kg, tur dal 10 kg, urad dal 20 kg, chana dal 15 kg, sugar 25 kg, wheat atta 25 kg, imli 5 kg, red mirchi 5 kg. See here, these are the weights of given groceries. How many kilograms of groceries did they buy in total? They bought 205 kg. See here, first one, if 1 kg rice cost is 42 rupees. If 1 kg rice cost is 42 rupees, how much money did they pay for rice alone? See here, quantity of rice bought. Quantity of rice bought. That is equals to 100 kg beta. 100 kg. Now, cost of 1 kg rice. Cost of 1 kg rice, that is equals to 42 rupees. 42 rupees. See, total cost. Total cost, that is equals to 42 rupees into 100. That is 42 rupees into 100. Any number multiplied by 100, you can write 2 zeros after the given number. Means you can write directly 4200. 4200. Now next, how many kg of dal did they buy in total? So here types of dals are there: tur dal, urad dal and chana dal. See here, there are 3 types of dal. See here, tur dal is equals to 10 kg, 10 kilograms. Next, urad dal, that is equals to 20 kg. Next, chana dal, that is equals to 15 kg. See, add it. So here 0, 0, 5. So 0 plus 0 plus 5 you can get 5. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Now you can get 45 kg. So total that is equals to 45 kg. Now next here Rama buys 25 kg of besan every month to make sweets for her sweet shop. She uses 80 kg besan to make laddus and the remaining quantity to make Mysore pak. How many kilograms besan does she use to make Mysore pak? See here, quantity of besan bought every month. See here, quantity of besan bought every month. So 125 kg. See here, quantity of besan used to make laddus is equals to 8 kg. Quantity of remaining besan. That is equals to 125 minus 80. See here, 125 minus 80. 5 minus 0, 5. Borrowing 12, 12 minus 8, 4, cut it 0. So you can get 45 kg. So she uses 45 kg besan to make Mysore pak. Mysore pak. Now next one, if each kg besan cost 55 rupees, how much money did she spend to buy besan for making laddus alone? Did you understand problem? If 1 kg besan cost 35 rupees beta, how much money did she spend to buy besan for making laddus? So laddus means here, so the quantity of besan used to making laddus, how many kgs? 80 kgs. So here 80 is divided by, 80 is multiplied with 55, you can get answer beta. See here, listen. See here, listen. Cost of cost of 1 kg besan is equals to 55 rupees. Cost of $80 kg besan is equals to 80 into 55 rupees. See here, listen carefully. So 80 into 55. 500, 5 8s are 40. Cut it. 500, 5 8s are 40. 0 0 4 4. Therefore, cost of 80 kg besan is equals to 4,400 rupees. Now next, how much money did she spend to buy besan to make Mysore pak only? See, Mysore pak. She uses 45 kg besan to make Mysore pak. See here. Now here, write down everybody. Cost of 1 kg besan. Is equals to 55 rupees. Now next, cost of 45 kg besan, that is equals to 45 into 55 rupees. See here, 45 into 55. 5 5s are 25, in it 5 taking, carrying to 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 22, in it 2 taking, carrying to. That is correct? Not correct, because so here 5 5s are 25, 5 taking, carrying to, 5 4s are 20, 2 is added to 20, 22. See here, 4 is the last digit of the given number, so you can write total, that is 22. Now next, 5 5s are 25, 5 taking, carrying to, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. So you can get 5, 2 plus 5 7, 2 plus 2 4, 2. So the cost of 45 kg besan, that is equals to 2,475. Therefore, cost of 45 kg besan is equals to 2,475 rupees. Now next, weights of objects in grams. See here, Tata salt 750 grams, Boost 500 grams, Brew, that is the coffee powder 250 grams, Santur soap 50 grams, that is Lakshmi gold coin 25 grams, and this is also gold ring here 5 grams. Adding and subtracting grams. See here, gram also can be added and subtracted in the same way as the kilograms. To get the following example, see, let us find the weight of the jasmine. See here, write down everybody. Add and subtracting. Add and subtracting grams. See here, let us find the weight of jasmine. See here, 200 grams of jasmine, and here 500 grams of jasmine. From your course book, page number 52, see here, listen. Some of the jasmines given, see, that is 200 grams of jasmine and 500 grams of jasmine. See here, 200 grams grams of jasmine plus 500 grams of jasmine, that is equals to 0, 0, 2 plus 5, 700 grams of jasmine. So total weight of jasmines is equals to is equals to 700 grams. So now next let us now find the total weight of grapes. So according to your course book, everybody listen carefully. Everybody open page number 52. Now here, see everybody, 650 grapes, 650 grams of grapes, here 200 grams, here 100 grams. So you can add total. This is also very easy. 650 plus 200 grams plus 100 grams. See here, 650 grams plus 200 grams plus 100 grams. First to add the digits in ones place, 0. Next to add the digits in tens place, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 0, 5. Next to add the digits in hundreds place, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So 950 grams. Total weight of grapes, that is equals to 950 grams. 950 grams. Now next one, what problem? See everybody, Swapna was making garlands. She had 870 grams of marigold. Out of them she used 620 grams of marigolds to make a garland. Find the weight of remaining marigolds. See here, Swapna was making garland. Garland ante the danda. She had 870 grams of marigolds. Out of them, she used 620 grams of marigolds to make a garland. Find the weight of remaining marigolds. See here, we need to subtract to find the weight of remaining marigolds. Write down, we, according to our problem, we need to subtract to find the weight of remaining marigolds. See here, 620 is subtracted from 870, means 870 minus 620. See here, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 2, 5, 8 minus 6, 2. So, what is therefore, the weight of remaining marigolds. Is equals to 250 grams. 250 grams. Now next, addition and subtraction in kilograms, grams and milligrams. Addition and subtraction in kilograms, grams and milligrams. See here, 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams. 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. See here, write down everybody. addition and subtraction in kilograms grams milligrams. See here, 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. 1 kg that is equals to 1000 grams. See here, page number 53. What problem? The following ready-made garments were delivered at a textile shop. Calculate the weight of both of cottons. See, to find the total weight of the cottons, we have to add the weights. See, first cotton is 25 kg 750 grams. Next one is 30 kg 350 grams. See, you can write here. First one 25 kg 750 grams. Next one is 30 kg 350 grams. See, we add. See, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 0 taking 1 carrying, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 3, 5. See here, 56 kg 100 grams. So the weight of 2 cottons. So the weight of 2 cottons. 2 cottons that is equals to 56 kg 100 grams. 56 kg 100 grams. Now next, which of the two is heavier? Can you also calculate the difference in weight between them? See, that is watermelon and papaya. So watermelon and papaya. See, listen carefully. So the weight of watermelon 5 kg 350 grams. The weight of papaya 3 kg 250 grams. See here, to convert kilograms to grams, we need to multiply kilograms by 1000. See here, to convert kilograms to grams means the larger unit is converted into smaller units. The given kilograms is multiplied by 1000, you can get grams. See here, big to small. Now here, five kg 350 grams. So that is equals to kg is converted into grams means 5 is multiplied with 1000 grams plus remaining 350 grams. That is equals to 5 into 1000, 5000 grams plus 350 grams. 5350 grams. That is equals to 5350 grams. Now next, the weight of papaya, that is 3 kg 250 grams. So here kilograms is converted into grams means kilogram is multiplied with 1000. That is 3 into 1000 grams plus remaining 250 grams. 250 grams. that is equals to 3 into 1000, you can get 3000 grams plus 250 grams. That is equals to 3250 grams. See here, therefore watermelon is heavier than papaya. Write down everybody. Therefore, papaya. So next, difference in weights. That is cost 5 kg 350 grams minus 3 kg 250 grams. See here, so you can write separate columns of kgs and grams. Here kg, here grams. 5 kg 350 grams. Next 3 kg 250 grams. See here, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 2 1, 5 minus 3 2. What is the difference? The difference in weights is equals to 2 kg 100 grams. So the weight of watermelon is 2 kg 100 grams more than papaya, more than of papaya. So, my dear students, today your class is completed, but remember one thing, everybody practice at home your course book, activity book and workbook. See here, shapes around you to metric measures. How many chapters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chapters. Everybody practice in Dasara holidays. Okay, thank you everybody. Course book, activity book and also workbook. 3 books. Everybody practice. Where to where? Shapes around you to metric measures. Thank you everybody. Happy Dasara.